Hello everyone. So this exercise is about hypothesis testing for two population means again. So let's read the question. A study is done to determine which of two soft drinks has more sugar. There are 13 cans of beverage A in a sample and 6 cans of beverage B. The mean amount of sugar in beverage A is 36 grams and with standard deviation of 0.6 grams. The mean amount of sugar in beverage B is 38 grams with a standard deviation of 0.8 grams. So we have two populations, beverage A and beverage B. So since they are different beverages, okay, maybe they're in the same class, but they're different, so these are independent. Okay, so from the question we can say that 13 cans from beverage A, and A is 13, and 6 cans from beverage B, and B is 6, is taken, and the mean amount of sugar for A is, X bar A is 36, with standard deviation of SA is 0.6, and the mean amount of sugar in beverage B is 38, which is 38, and with standard deviation of 0.08. So the researchers believe that beverage B has more sugar than beverage A, which means this is the claim. So researchers believe that beverage B has more sugar than beverage A, which means mu A minus mu B is less than 0, because beverage B, actually we can say that mu A is less than mu B. So when we just put in here, so we get this. So this is my claim, so which is H1. What is my original hypothesis? The opposite. So this is my hypothesis. So okay, let's decide on the test statistic about population means. So the first question is, do we know sigma 1 square and sigma 2 square? Known or unknown? So as you can see, it is unknown. So the next question is, N1 and N2 are both more than 30 or less than 30. So we can say that they are both less than 30. So the next question, are the variances assumed to be equal or not? So we can say that it is assumed that the variances are not equal. So they are not equal. So my test statistic is actually TH this. Okay, I can just solve in here, so I know everything, which is 36. So when I just calculate it, the result is minus 5.4563. Okay, I found my test statistic. Now I need to draw the graph of the t distribution. Okay, is it one-sided or two-sided? So I can say that it is one-sided, and according to the direction of this arrow, I can say that it is left-sided. What is my alpha? alpha is 10%, which is 0.10. So I need to find a t value, threshold value with degrees of freedom what? Okay, so I need to find a degrees of freedom value. It is not actually equal to the total of n1 and n2 plus minus 2. We have a different formula for that. So in this case, my degrees of freedom formula will be this. So when I do the calculations, I get this, and the result will be 7.72, which is actually close to the degrees of freedom 8. So I need to take the degrees of freedom as 8, and I need to find a threshold value of 0.10 with degrees of freedom 8. So which is negative, I get this value. As you can see, my test statistic was minus 5.2563, which is TH. So actually this falls into the rejection region, which means decision H0 is rejected. So comment, what does this mean? This means that, so we reject H0, we can say that the claim is valid, which means researchers believe is the mean average sugar amount, the mean sugar amount from beverage B is more than beverage A. So under 10% significance level, it can be said that the mean amount of sugar in beverage B is more than the one in beverage A. So the question is done. Thanks for watching.